For the key ingredients, you need a piece of bread, ideally with a crust on it, tomato sauce or ketchup, some cheese, and an egg. For the key equipment, you need a toaster oven, a baking tray, a pair of chopsticks, or some toothpicks. It's best to use a piece of bread that has a crust on it. This way, the egg won't seep through. Now take a fork and start digging out some of the bread. So you're going to make a hole. When you finish, double check you didn't poke any holes through the bread. Now get your egg and gently crack it over the bread. If you're not sure of the size, get the smallest egg possible. Now get your tomato paste and a chopstick or a toothpick or even a fork and take a little bit off and put it on your egg. Now put it in your preheated toaster oven and bake it until the egg turns white. This should take about 5 minutes.